They've all pulled out of the region pre-invasion by Russia, which is now deemed imminent.
Yes.
When asked about this, Biden responded, quote, "Let me say it again. We got to take down the filibuster, man." Yeah.
Right.
Poor bastard. Poor bastard. Yes. Yeah. Also, breaking news out of France this evening.
Yes.
Gaspard Huel.
Right.
Yes, apparently the Caesar-winning French actor.
Yes.
Yeah, are you aware of the Caesar Awards, Gilbert?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Right.
See, all these years, I thought it was just a salad. You know.
Yes.
Yeah. You ever been to the Caesar Awards, Bill?
No.
No? Would you like to go?
No, not at all.
Okay. Anyway, Gaspard Huel.
Right.
Oh, man. Yeah, you know what? I just don't know how to say this.
Yes.
You know, so I'm just going to spell it.
Yes.
Right? Gaspard, so Gaspard.
Yes.
Right.
Right? No, you don't say the D, you fool.
No.
No, you see, listen to William. He is French-Canadian, huh?
Right.
Yeah, so Gaspard.
Yes.
Then the last name is U-L-L, right?
Yes.
I-E-L.
Right.
So that would be pronounced Gaspard. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Is that... Have I not lost enough of my Canadian, Bill? That's good?
Yes.
Yeah? All right. Cool. Yeah.
Right.
Anyway, he has died at the age of 37 after a ski accident and COVID Omicron.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, and speaking of COVID Omicron,
yes.
Moving on the headlines now from England, the Queen and Boris Johnson yesterday announced an end to the pandemic and officially ended all mask mandates and all other measures that the government has taken to combat COVID.
Yes.
Canada and Australia are expected to follow suit shortly. Right.
Yes.
Right.
I thought Australia was too busy jailing all their citizens.
Right.
Yeah.
That's what they've done. They've reached a particular point that they feel they're untouchable.
Well, exactly.
Right.
Yeah, like, fuck.
Yes.
Yeah, get in there, mate. That's it. Oh, man, it's smoky in here.
Right.
It's jolly good.
Yes.
Well, moving on tonight in local, well, I say local, I mean North American. Yes, local media. A fallen CNN sign off the building in Atlanta.
Yes.
Apparently the 8-foot-tall CNN 3D aluminum sign actually fell off the building.
Right.
And if you needed any more evidence that their ratings were tanking,
Right.
yeah. Anyway, the big thing fell off the building.
Yes.
Smashed on the ground, almost killed a woman.
Yes.
Right? And, of course, right away, the fact checkers come out now and say that the fallen broadcast sign from CNN was fabricated.
Right.
And, of course, the Speculation News Report here says, actually, all big signs, logos, and banners like that are fabricated. Since we're being so transparent and informative, there you go. All right, to Washington yesterday, Jen Psaki.
Right. Right.
Oh, very honorable Jen Psaki.
Right.
I swear, if this was back in the 40s where everybody, it was just radio,
Yes.
I swear everybody would think she was Japanese.
Right.
Right? She'd come out there and give a press conference. And
Yes.
she'd be like, oh, you look like a man.
Right.
You, what you say? Yeah. Anyway, Jen Psaki yesterday morning has announced a complete reset of Biden policy after her, quote, year of hell. They vow to retire Joe Biden to China later this week.
Right.
And completely reinstate the Trump administration, its policies in all U.S. matters to be overseen now by U.S. President Kamala Harris.
Right.
Wow.
Sex is only the tip of the iceberg.
No, apparently she was a prosecutor, Louis. Yeah.
Right.
Not a prostitute.
No.
No, that's
No, not at all.
No, she never sucked a dick. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, and further to that news, in Washington, Kamala Harris, after being sworn in as U.S. president today, announced threats to Putin, quote, "We are coming, and I am going to come over there and blow you."
Right.
To which Putin smirked.
Right.
And then she said, "Blow you away."
Right.
And then the end of the quote has her laughing for like 4 minutes.
Yes.
Right.
I don't know. I think she might have done better if she just stuck with the initial statement.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, don't worry, Vlad. I'll just come over there and blow you and ease tensions.
Right.
Well, after being relieved of duty,
Yes.
of course, Biden wandered back into the conference, appearing lost. He walked up to the podium as Harris was taking Q&As and said into the microphones, quote, "Let me be clear. Putin understands me.
Right.
And I have no problem understanding him. We must unify as a symbol to him that we can do better."
Right.
Of course, the picture they've got of Biden here,
Yes.
he's gazing out. He's not looking down at reporters.
No.
He's looking up. He's gazing out. It's almost as if he's talking to God.
Right.
You know, he's also breaking news this morning. The Supreme Court has denied Trump's effort to stop the release of Trump White House documents to the January 6th Select Committee.
Yes.
Now, Trump's Mar-a-Lago gardener Jose Lopez says, "Now everyone will see the truth."
Right.
Wow, Jose Lopez.
Yes.
That's racist.
Right.
You know? We should take that illegal Mexican,
Right.
change his name to Jack Johnson. Yeah. Hello, I'm Jack Johnson.
Right.
Hello. Well, Joe Biden inadvertently revealed the truth about his Ukraine policy yesterday. Quote, "As long as Putin only seizes a maximum of 62% of Ukraine."
Right.
"And sends me cases of premium Russian ice cream,
Yes.
we won't engage in any sanctions or moves against him."
Right.
So you can only have 62% of the country
Yes.
and keep the ice cream coming.
Right.
See, now, here's like the one and only time
Yes.
that you would ever see someone on the scale of Vladimir Putin,
Yes.
right, do something as kind of silly, what would be perceived silly. Like, can you imagine if Trump were like, making an announcement and sending off crates of dildos to China, right?
Right.
Yeah, I said dildos.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, they're those plastic penises you can shove up your ass. Yeah.
Right.
Are they No. Biff says they're not plastic.
Yes.
Right.
Well, I wouldn't know, Biff. No.
No, not at all.
No, of course I wouldn't. I don't,
Right.
It's not a... That's not a me thing.
No.
Stop looking at me, Gilbert.
Right.
Yeah. Anyway, dildos. Right. No. No. Can you imagine, nobody's going to be press covering Putin, shipping off, containers down at his local U.S. Postal Service store.
Right.
Of ice cream. That's right. It's not going to happen, right? So I guess what I'm saying here is why would he say that?
Yes.
Right? I'm going to start sounding like a QAnon, but
Right.
I don't know. I think the ice cream has got a significance more than we know.
Yes.
As they say, there are no coincidences.
Right.
Oh, wow. Look at that. We've actually got some sports news.
Yes.
Yes, here we go. Filthy racist Senate Republicans.
Right.
Well, they blocked that poor old black man John Lewis's voting scam bill. They blocked it from proceeding in the House today. Meanwhile, the Build Back Butter bill... Build Back Butter... Build... is it Build Back Butter? I don't know.
Right.
I'm not sure. Is that a...
Well, I'm not a...
You don't know? Yeah. Okay. Build back butter. Every time I hear back butter, all I think of is these guys with hairy backs getting them waxed. Right?
Right.
Anyway, the Republicans stopped the back waxing. It dies a horrible death, and after the first quarter, it's Dems 1, America 247.
Right.
Moving on to an exclusive WSPN speculation news report here tonight.
Yes.
And this is tonight now. It's not yesterday.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, Biden's inaugural committee, I guess those are just loony pink-haired people that he likes. I don't know.
Right.
Inaugural committee. Well, no, the inaugural committee, as far as I know, the inaugural committee is in charge of, planning the inauguration.
Yes.
And sending out invitations and shit.
Right.
Maybe somebody better clue them in. It's been a year.
Yes.
Right.
You don't have to inaugurate anymore. It's done. Fuck, is it ever? Jesus.
Right.
Yeah. Well, anyway, the inaugural committee is marking the first anniversary. Okay, so they actually know they're a year in. Anyway, they're marking the anniversary in office by blanketing the airwaves with a Tom Hanks narrated video recounting the time that he and Joe went to Epstein Island and fell in love with 8-year-old boys.
Right.
I'm not entirely sure that's going to help. I don't...
No.
No.
No, not at all.
No. And the last thing this country needs is for Joe Biden to start talking to a soccer ball.
Right.
Moving on to Vatican news now tonight. A report has found former Pope Benedict the, wait a minute, what is that, 10 v